Hello everyone, in this video we would like to share with you how to print these nice sublimation blank baby books. Okay, firstly I would like to introduce you what kinds of products you need to prepare for this printing. Okay, a blank sublimation baby books, some coffee paper, 2 pieces maybe, and designed printed sublimation paper. A Teflon pillow is a must. You can have a bigger one if you have, or if you do not have bigger one, you can use smaller one. We offer both of them. So we offer different sizes of Teflon pillow upon your request. So if you have any needed for this Teflon pillow, just contact our sales. And last is the Teflon sheet. Okay, this is all what you need for this printing. Okay, let's get started. And the printing temperature for this sublimation blank baby book we need is 195 degrees Celsius, which is about 385 degrees Celsius of Fahrenheit. And the time we need would be 45 seconds. So you see that I use this Teflon pillow. So the first step we need to do is to preheat these baby books, because you can see these baby books we put the sponge inside, which is really soft, and when baby to use and touch, they can feel this soft and touch this. That is good for babies. Okay, and in order to make it flat, so the first step we need is to preheat it for like 5 to 10 seconds in both sides. Okay, and Teflon sheet is very important, you know, to make sure that the blanks will not going dirty, that if your heat pattern is not very tidy. Okay, 5 seconds. Okay, I think that's fine. So, and you see, this is our new Galaxy GS804 presses, and we have both manual and auto functions. So during preheating, I always use manual functions. That means that I can say 5 seconds, I can lift it up automatically. But if you use auto mode, then if you want to release it before time is up, then you need to press this button. So for me, I think the manual one for preheating will be much more easier and better. Okay, so you see after preheating both sides for about 5 seconds, you can see the book is a little bit more flat. That means that we're ready for first printing. And the first printing we need to do is to print both these pages and these pages. And for both of these pages, we can print it at one time. Okay, you can see the templates we have is we have this one for two pages printing, and this one for 1 pages printing. So initially you can do full pages printing from front and back. Okay, and you see it's the same from front and back, I think. So, oh no, this one is the cover and this is the inside. You can see how to separate, how to clarify which one is cover and which one is the inside in the middle. You can see there is about 3 pieces. So the one in this lanyard is this ribbon is at the first page. See, first layer, and then this means that this side is the front page, and this is in the middle. Okay, so let's do the front page first. Yes, okay, and so for front page, the better is you use a heat tape to tape it. Make sure you located the image in the center of the printed paper and use heat tape to tape it at 2 sides. If you are really experienced of doing the printing, sometimes for me, like I don't need heat tape. But for this, I think that maybe we still need heat tape. Okay, tape it at the 2 sides, and again use a Teflon sheet to cover it. And now we're ready to print. Okay, the pressure we need will be the medium pressure. Okay, and again, the temperature is 190 degrees and the time is 45 seconds. Okay, let's wait for about a few seconds. Okay, now time is up and it's open automatically. You see this heat glove is very, very important to protect yourself from heating. Okay, and so use this hand and this hand to tear it off. You can see it prints a really nice. See? Yeah, even in the middle. Because I use this pillow that is soft to make the pressure even we have a line here. Okay, let's do another print demo for another side. Okay, it's the same that you just, when we do the inside, we need to make sure that the direction is in correct way. So that is very important. Okay, this is the cover, right? And so we need to make sure that the direction is in correct way. Okay, this is easy, but I just want to remind you to make sure that the direction is right and proper. Otherwise, you will ruin the whole prints. Okay, again, use heat tape to tape it at both sides a little bit. This baby book is really nice because we use a heat-resistant sponge inside. That makes baby, when they touch it, they'll feel it. Oh, this is something. Okay. Again, do the same. 45 seconds. Okay, time is up, and let's see how it looks like. This out. Okay. See, it's really nice. And see, this is the cover and this is in the middle. See, the direction is very, very important. So when you tape the printed paper, make sure it is in the right direction and then do the prints. This is a very important tips I would like to remind you, okay? And next is, I will show you how to print pages by pages, okay? So, from our experience, that we think that maybe it is better to print it one page by one page. But you can try to print 2 pages at a time if you're experienced. Okay, so let me do the one pages demo. Okay, so you can see this is always 6 panels, right? So if we're going to do the printing for this panel, firstly, again, very important, the direction of the printed paper is very important. Okay, and we can tape the printed paper here. Use heat tape. Okay, usually I just use 2. Okay, that will be good enough. And then we need to adjust adjust it to make sure it's even, like 3 panels, always 3 panels in each side. That will be even. And now the copy paper is useful now because in order to make sure that this, because always you see the printed paper will be a little bit larger than the printing area. So in order to do not let the edge come into these pages, so the better is we use a copy paper to put it here, not very close to the end. Okay, so maybe we need to zoom in the camera a little bit. Do not put this copy paper here or here. You see, a little bit, leave a little bit space. That will be fine. And then you can close it. And in order to make sure that the paper will not be curved during printing to ruin your prints, better is use a Teflon sheet to cover it. Okay, now we're ready to do the prints. 45 seconds, and let's see how it looks. Okay, time is up, and let's see. Prints really well and really nice. Okay, and you can repeat all the processes into each pages as what I just suggested. You know, number one tips is that print one page to one page, and you need to get this printed paper stick at each page. Then make sure that the direction is in the right direction. This is very, very important. Otherwise, you will ruin your blanks or your prints. And number two is to make sure each side always has 3 panels. That to make you to ensure you have even pressure during printing. Okay, and this is the printed finished baby books. Looks really nice, and the color is really vibrant. And you can print whatever you want for your kids, like your family photos, or your kids' photos, or some animals, or even some objects that you want your kids to learn something like that. And as I said, that this baby books is with heat resistant sponge inside. It's really touchful and nice for baby use. So that's all for today. And if you have any question, please leave us a message, and we're always happy to listen. Okay, and thank you for watching. Please contact our sales if you have any request.